Now I want to show also the downloads. We see here the main download button, the link on the bottom. There you see Debian 13 net install. This is 700 megabyte and just the CD size, and we can go on other downloads, and then we have here now it's all Debian 13 so all things are changed. Bookworm Debian 12 is now gone, and we have here the download installation image, a small installation image. This is just the net install, the CD image size, 700 megabyte, where you have the basic system on the net install ISO image, but the main packages for the installation of the whole desktop you will download at the installation. So if you have a good network, it's recommended to do it, and then you have all packages fresh and so on. And then is a complete installation image. This is a standard default installation DVD. This is 4.x gigabyte size. On the bottom you see Debian 13 AMD 64 DVD, and on the DVD is you have all packages from the desktops, GNOME, KDE, Plasma, XFCE, and so all the packages, the main packages, are on the DVD, so you don't have to download so much things in the installation process, because you get it from the DVD. So if you have the time to download one time the 4 gigabytes, the installation process is much faster, because it's just copying from the ISO image and don't have to download it from the network. And also important and good when you do many installations for friends or in the business. And then also important is here we have the Debian-LIVE images. It's not very well known, but Debian has live images very similar to many other distributions that are only give out the live images. And then the difference is, here's the Debian installer per default. It's a text installer or a graphical installer, very modern. It's very well. It's very recommended for installations. I love the way of the Debian installer. Also, you can pre-seed the installation and so on. It's very great. I think it's also very well because of the usage from Debian in the server environments and so on. And then the Calamares installer is a graphical installer where you just load a whole desktop environment, a live environment, and then open a window with the Calamares installer. It's very different to the main Debian installer. It's more modern. It's maybe recommended for users they are using desktop and only want a desktop installation and are not so experienced, so it's very easy to click through. But the main Debian installer is a graphical installer, is also very easy. But this is more graphical, and you have directly a preview of the desktop, of the modern new desktop. So you can choose and download the GNOME Live installation CD or the XFCE Live installation CD or KDE, for example, also. So you can directly see the desktop you want. KDE is more Windows similar, GNOME is more Mac OS similar, but a bit different, and I think maybe much better. XFCE is very lightweight, and but how I say it, like I said, on the DVD installation, there are also all packages from the desktop environments on the DVD. And also on the DVD are GNOME, KDE, Plasma, Mate, and so on. Are the main packages are all on the DVD. So even you don't choose directly the desktop environment, you can choose it in the installation of the DVD. But here you have directly the start in the desktop environment. Here's other live CDs, DVDs, ISOs, and here you see also Cinnamon is an ISO here. Debian Junior with education and games, I think. Then the default GNOME, then the KDE, then the LXD is very lightweight but a bit older, and LXQT is also lightweight and similar to KDE Plasma. It's Qt based but a bit lightweight, and Mate is really lightweight and also very well looking. It's like the old GNOME 2 desktop was. I like this very much. The standard has no graphic, I think, and the XFCE is also lightweight, and yeah, recommendable. But I like the Mate most when it's about lightweight desktops. So that's about the DVDs, and I will show in more videos about the installation process and so on. So if you are interested,